Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will talk about one of the most successful token in the crypto space, especially in the meme coin segment, and that is your dog with hat with ticker WIF. So I will tell you why this token is special and why it is very much undervalued at the moment, and what about the price action in the coming few weeks, and when to enter to make the best profit out of this token. So with that, let's kick off. Let's talk about WIF coin and explore the price action and see where you can make the maximum amount of money. So let's get started. So you can see right over here. First of all, I will also take you to the numbers. So you can see the numbers here. The maximum supply is less than a billion token, which is close to 998 million tokens only. Very low for a meme coin. Then look at the market cap, not even $1 billion at $798 million. Clearly, a lot of upside for this token. Now look at the price, just 80 cent, and if you look at the all-time high, nearly $5, and all-time lows, of course, you can see that over here. Plus, look at the listing, already listed on top exchanges: Binance, KuCoin, Gate, Lbank, and likewise. Now, that means the token is quite undervalued meme coin and has a very strong liquidity. Now, let's look at the charts and see where it's going right now. So, right now, you can see the market is currently bearish, kind of, because Bitcoin crashed to 110k. You have Solana crashing down, Aptos, other tokens crashing down, except Ethereum. Every other token is in the downtrend. But when you look at the DOGWIFHAT chart, just look at the weekly chart and you will clearly see there's a clear bear pattern here. It has already made a double top in the longer time frame like over here, but the worst part is it is still in the bear trend, which means the token is crashing and actually never recovered and is now again ready to go down more. So overall, this token is kind of bearish for this week and of course for the month of September. But where it is going from now? So for that, we need to zoom in and analyze where the token is heading. So of course, weekly look bearish. That means overall sentiment of the token is bearish, but there is support here in the fib retracement in the red lines. Let me show you right over here and see this red line, right? This is short term fib retracement for this token. That's why this token was stagnated around this zone of around 80 cents and between 70 cents. And right now it is about to break this zone because overall market sentiment is bad, is bearish. Then I believe actually that it will break this support level and will go down more. How low? It can actually go as low as its all-time low, which is closer to nearly 30 cents at the time of creating the video. So now, for more details, let's look at the daily chart and see if our study is true. So on the daily chart, you will see a very good pattern which is actually very bearish, and that pattern is called as head and shoulder pattern. For this token who is already crashing and already in the bear trend, this brings more pain to the investors who are holding this token. That means if this pattern came true, the token will crash more. It will go down more. It will crash more and will go down more in value. That means more loss for investors, but also an opportunity for you if you enter it at the right price point. Yes, the head and shoulder will likely continue from nearly 60% or 65% on the top peak to below, let's say, 60%. If we assume that the run is there, then it will approximately go below 30 cents, and when it goes below 30 cents, there's likely a pullback that can be recovered. So I believe a good buying opportunity can be made around this token at a price level of 30 cents and below. So if you want to buy a meme coin, I think dog with hat is an excellent choice. And of course, the right price point is not yet arrived, but I believe the right price point will arrive when it reaches 30 cents, which is right over here. And from that, you can target it as long as $2.50. And of course, stop loss can be at around this level, which is at around 6 to 5 cents. So clearly, the reward to risk ratio is very high, and 7 times actually. You're losing money and you're gaining 7 times, given the fact this token crashes out more and hit below 30 cent, where you can start dollar cost averaging and start buying this token. Overall, at the time of creating the video, I am completely bearish about this token. The weekly chart is already confirming it, the daily is adding more weight to it, and of course, the monthly is also putting value to it. That means we are totally bearish on this token and it will go down further to below 30 cents, that will make a good long term buy decision. Of course, DYOR, and remember, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Hedge. If you have a lot of money, hedge, put some in Bitcoin, put some in DOGWIFHAT, and put some in the token that you believe. Do not put all your money in one token because anything can happen in the crypto market. Of course, DOGWIFHAT is a very strong meme coin and it will bounce back fast as it goes down. So with that, I complete my video. Will you be investing in DOGWIFHAT or any meme coin? Comment below, let me know. With that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video, new content. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.